अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक कर दो और घंटी बजा दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो इतनी गंदी पनीर को।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गुडल व्लॉग्स। सो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं पिज्जा। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव आटा पिज्जा बेस।
Firstly, we will apply pizza topping on it. Let's apply it.
Now we will spread pizza topping on it. So we are making two pizzas, one with some vegetables and some other toppings, and one with one for kids. So here we have a pizza. It is also done and it is almost finished. It's finished now. She is my helper. She is Shivi.
Yeah, I am Shivi, but you can call me Marinade too.
Yeah,
I have a channel.
I also have a channel. You are seeing this on my channel only. Good vlogs. Now we will put mozzarella cheese in it. First we will put only some. Then after putting vegetables and some other toppings, then we will put some more in it. So let's put it. We have to actually spread it by putting it. It's looking so yummy. I want to eat it now. Then we'll put some in it. This one. So now we'll put toppings in it. Let's put it. Now we'll put more cheese in it.
To make it more cheesy,
Yeah.
just like we order in restaurant with some extra cheese.
So now we'll put oregano in this. You can also get, if you order pizza from outside, you also get packets of oreganos. But I have a bottle of oregano. You can get it at any general store, and then we will put it. You can put it after the pizza is baked.
So now it is done. So now we'll put some paneer in it. It's your choice to put paneer in this, but it looks very yummy and tastes very yummy. We are doing all this in presence of my mom because it is harmful to use knives and other things.
Now we'll put the pizza on this and keep it in oven. So let's put it. You have to put it carefully because something will fall out. And then we have one more like this.
So I have preheated this pan to keep pizza on it, the double pizza. Preheat is very compulsory, otherwise the pizza will burn. So let's put the other pizza on this, but don't touch this. When it comes out, it will burn your hand also. I will keep it careful in it. this in oven, or we will put one more stand on above of this. So now we will keep this on the other stand. So now let's close it. So now we have to set from here. So we have to put this on convection mode, 210 degree. This one. And then we have to click start one time. So now the timer has come. Now we have to put 20 minutes on this. So let's put it. Okay, this is 20. So now let's start it. So it is started. It's looking very yummy. But इंतजार कर रही हूँ इसके बनने का. It's ready now. So let's take it out.
After 20 minutes.
After 20 minutes. It's looking so yummy. And the paneer is looking like marshmallows. And see the cheese. हमारे दोनों पिज्जा बन के रेडी हो चुके हैं. अब इनको खाने की बारी है. ये रहा हमारा पिज्जा और हमने खाना शुरू कर दिया. और ये बहुत यम्मी है. Homemade pizza is the best pizza than the restaurant pizza. This is so tasty. I like this.
Gunu.
उनको मतलब पनीर अच्छा नहीं लगता और प्याज और कैप्सिकम मतलब सब्जी अच्छी नहीं लगती. छोटी बच्ची है तो वो निकाल रही है.